If you want to see my take on this design, then keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Tooba from Candidly with Tooba. Today I got you a video tutorial on henna design you can DIY. I have a little backstory if you care to listen. For starters, this video that you're seeing right now was not easy to record, as you will see. Keep in mind it's my first shooting for a video like this. So fast forward, I was doing this design and I couldn't figure out where to angle the camera because my hand keeps coming in front. You can see that throughout the video. Sorry about that, by the way. I will do my best to provide the best quality in my next videos. So that was the end of a mini story, rant, whichever you prefer. Now you can peacefully enjoy the rest of the video to see the whole process of how to apply this simple henna design on your own. I would appreciate it if you can watch the whole video till the end. Enjoy! We're done here. Please hit the like button down below. It will make me known that you liked my henna design. Share with your friends and family who would find this helpful. Results after it dried and washed. Comment what design you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Subscribe for more. It's free.